Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice equations. And before starting this, if you have your method of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box in just counting of 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's get into it. We are given xy minus 7 squared equals x squared plus y squared. We are looking for the pair of x and y that satisfy this if x and y are the member of natural number. So let's see how we find all the pairs of x and y that we can deduce from this beautiful equation. We need x, y. So let's consider the solution from here. The first thing we are going to take as a step is by trying to expand xy minus 7 all squared. Let's expand this. We have xy minus 7 raised to the power of 2. Then this equals, when we take the square of it in 2 times, as we have xy minus 7, then multiply by xy minus 7. The expansion of this becomes xy will multiply xy. That gives us xy all squared minus xy will multiply minus 7. This gives us minus 7xy. And minus 7 will multiply xy. And that one is also minus 7xy. Then plus minus times minus, that is plus. Then 7 times 7, we have it as 49. This equals xy all squared minus 7xy minus 7xy. This gives us minus 14xy. Then plus 49. This only for the expansion of xy minus 7 all square. And again, if you consider x square plus y square at the right hand side there, we have x squared minus plus y squared. Then this will be equal to, suppose I write this thing as x plus y all raised to power 2. By subtracting minus 2xy from this, we are still referring to x squared plus y squared if we are able to expand this. So this is what we have. Let's try and combine these two together. For the first one, we have xy. We have xy all squared minus 14xy plus 49 equals x plus y all squared minus 2xy. Let's transfer this minus 2xy. Let's take it to this side. And here we have xy squared minus 14xy. And when this one comes here, it becomes plus 2xy. We combine them together because they have the same term. This is xy and this is also xy. Then we have plus 49 equals x plus y all squared. So getting this, we have to add this together. Here is xy squared minus 14 plus 2, that is minus 12xy. Then here is plus, I want to break this 49 into the sum of 36 plus 13. So 36 plus 13, it gives us 49. And this equals x plus y all squared. So moving on, here we have xy squared minus 12xy plus, we have this as 36, which we can write this as 6 squared, then plus 13 equals x plus y all squared. So the next step we take here is this identity, this x squared, xy squared minus 12xy plus 6 squared is more of when we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this will be equals a minus b all squared. We're now considering xy as a, therefore this equation becomes xy minus 6 then all raised to power of 2. So this is what we are going to have. Then plus 13 equals x plus y all raised to power of 2. By trying to rearrange this, let's take x plus y squared to this side and transfer 13 to other side, as we have xy minus 6 raised to power 2 minus x plus y raised to power 2 equals 13 becomes minus. So we have, then by continuing solving this, we are going to have this as, suppose I call all this one a squared minus y all this is b squared. By taking the difference of these two squared, we are writing it as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. This is difference of these two squared. So applying it to this, we are going to have xy minus 6. Going for positive first, we have it as plus x plus y. All this in brackets. Then the second part, which is xy minus 6. Then going for negative, we have minus open bracket x plus y. And everything here equals minus 13. Therefore, after getting the product, the factors of this, minus 13 times 1 and 13 times minus 1. So for this, xy minus 6 plus x plus y is always greater than xy minus 6 minus open bracket x plus y. So this one is going for only the number that is greater than the second one. Therefore, we are going to let this one equals 1 and we let this one equals minus 13. So doing that, we have xy minus 6 plus open bracket x plus y equals 1. And then we have xy minus 6 minus open bracket x plus y equals minus 13, considering the first case. So this is too big. Let's try and reduce it. First thing we do is by adding this together. By adding this, because this and this later we cancelled each other. So when this cancelled, we have x plus x. This gives us 2xy. Then here becomes minus 12 and this equals minus 12. So 1 minus 13, that is minus 12. Then by adding 12 to both sides, this cancelled and this also cancelled. We have 2xy equals 0. We can just conclude that xy here equals 0. Again, let's take the subtraction. By subtracting this and this cancelled and this also cancelled, but here becomes positive. When this become positive, we add this together and this also become positive. So x plus y plus x plus y, that gives us 2x plus 2y, and this equals 1 plus 13, that is 14. So with this, you can just say when we divide both sides by 2, we have x plus y here equals 7. This is what we have as our equation 1. This is our equation 2. So when we try and pair this together, we have xy equals 0. And for this equation to be equals to 7 and this one equals to 0, these are two possible pairs. The first pair is, assume our x equals to 0, then y will be equals 7. And if x equals 7, y will be equals 0. So this is the first case for solving this. And let's see the other case or the other solution to this. So if you watch this video to this stage, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. Let's consider the second case. So since we are going for the positive, the one that is greater, it means we let this equals 13 and we let this equals minus 1. Therefore, we have xy minus 6 plus x plus y, this equals 13. And also, we have xy minus 6 minus x plus y equals minus 1. Then, let's say we add first. By adding this first, we are going to have this plus this, that is 2xy minus, so here is 12, this cancelled, and we have this equals 13 minus 1, that is 12. By adding 12 to both sides, we are going to have plus 12, here is plus 12. This cancelled, and we have 2xy equals 24. And by dividing both sides by 2, we are going to have xy equals 12. So this is our equation 1. And again, let's come back here again. So assuming we are taking the subtraction, so this cancelled, this also cancelled, and this one become positive, this also become positive. So x plus y plus x plus y, that one gives us 2 open brackets. So 2 open brackets x plus y, then this equals 14. And dividing both sides by 2 here, we have this cancelled, and x plus y equals 7. If x plus y equals 7 is our equation 2, and we have here as our equation 1. Then for us to have 12 and 7, these are two possible pairs. It's either when x equals 3, y will be equals 4. Or if you have x equals 4, y will be equals 3. This is the pairs. We have 4 different pairs. So the first one I got earlier is 0, 7, then 7, 0. These are the things I got. If you got anything different from this, you can share it in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.